Hello everyone, in this video I'll show how you can communicate MasterTool with IxDeveloper, the HMI designer from Nexto Series, using the communication protocol called OPCDA. So the first thing we have to do is to open MasterTool with administrator rights. Here I have my project and I'm gonna right click on the application and I'm gonna add a new object, and this object will be a symbol configuration. Since we're communicating through OPCDA, we don't need to mark the support OPC UA features, just add the symbol configuration with the default settings. Next step is to click on the build button. It will compile your project and bring all your variables. In this example, we're going to communicate a simple digital input from our simulator. So let's expand our integrated I/O GVL and select our I00, which is our first digital input. Okay, so now just log in into your simulator. Let's make a login with download. I don't want to download the source code. Okay, now let's start our program. Okay, now we need to configure the OPCDA server which will be running on our computer. To do this, go to the online menu and open OPC configuration. For this step, you need to be sure that you open your MasterTool with administration rights, otherwise you won't be able to open the OPC configuration menu. So you need to configure your OPC configuration like this. So first you need to mark the use TCP IP block driver box and configure your localhost IP on the IP address active. So it is 127.0.0.1. This is the device port you want to use. So if you're communicating with the server in the simulation mode, this is the port you need to use. You can't use this port, you need to use the second one. So now I can press OK and all my configuration is done, and now I have to configure the IxDeveloper site.